off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me.
Hello friends, Shivangi Group welcomes you. Now, it's time for the discussion of today's profile, and today's profile is Assistant Manager in Sales. And the locations are Gurugram, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. And the qualification for this post is post-graduation in sales and public marketing, and experience required for this post is 1 to 3 years in sales and marketing. And the job responsibilities will be: the candidate should speak to customers either face to face or over the phone, and the candidate have an understanding of customers by diverse and specific business needs and apply product knowledge of technical specifications, carry out cold calling in order to create interest in products, services and generate new business leads, and arrange meetings with customers, prepare and deliver presentations, demonstrations of the product to customers for the business development, and develop effective sales plan for business development, and provide technical advices to customers, meet sales targets set by managers, network with the existing customers in order to make links. The candidate should have good communication skills, good convincing capacity, and these are the responsibilities for this post, and other responsibilities are mentioned in a description box. Please visit the channel and like and share it. Thank you.